So then, Freddy, you ready to box tomorrow? I think so. Well, hope you're ready. I am, Foxy. After getting to the boxing ring. Oh, number Freddy, you're about to box. Yeah. What's up, little guy? What's up? Huh. Listen, win! No. Number Freddy has to win, you stupid lady. Call a lady stupid. Coach, a boy over there called me stupid. He was just kidding, baby. Ding, ding, ding. That's cheating. That's cheating. Ding, ding, ding. Yes! I won! The coach said I can box anyway. You can slam them. Oops. Foxy, go get him and apologize. I didn't mean to punch him. So, Foxy, ready to get boxing? Go. Get off my... You two, stop it. Well, I want to go to the park. We're outside. Well, we can go to the park at night, you little faggot. Oh, no. There's no... Oh! Like, whoever said that, I'm gonna freaking slap you. Alright, there we go. Why would you slap the camera? Exactly. Like, what kind of a YouTuber person would slap the camera while they're freaking recording? I didn't mean to, guys. Obviously, you did because you said you would slap somebody, not the camera. Oh, yeah, you're right. See, that just makes it worse. Exactly. So, let's go home after getting home. Oh, finally we're home. Oh, it is so cold. I'm getting goosebumps. Oh, guys, it's not that cold. Foxy, you don't know how cold it is in here? It is freezing. I don't feel a thing. Well, my head hurts. Oh, it is so cold. Here, Robert Freddy, you can use my covers. Thank you. Oh, it's so cold. So cold. I know. I'm going under. There's a Freddy. Okay, y'all do that. I'll go get the 2 blacklight imposters. They're colorful, and you guys are acting like faggots. Hey guys. Yeah, what's going on? Wait. Wilson could only survive you? Yeah, and that's all who I could survive. So, the others are still dead from that war. The war. Oh yeah, you almost killed me. I was gonna kill... Oh yeah. Well, you clearly killed my blacklight imposters. Well, I actually did. Y'all should be called the colorful imposters. Yeah, that's a good name for us. The colorful imposters. You like that, Wellesley? Yeah, I guess it'll work. Well, good. I'm glad it works, guys. Foxy is all wrong, right, Joseph Freddy? Yeah, he's just all wrong. He thinks everything's right to him. Ow! Ow! Ouch! Ow! Really, Twister Freddy? Whose feet is that? I don't know. What the freak is that? Okay, it has to be Wilson's feet. What the frick are you guys doing under these covers? Oh, hey, Wilson. We're freezing. Yeah. Why are you freezing? 'Cause it's cold in the house. And we mean very cold. And Foxy thinks he's right about everything. All the time. Yeah. It's not that I'm right about everything, guys. Foxy, get out. No, I'm just trying to tell you that I know I'm not right about everything. But I'm just telling you, I don't feel a thing. Well, why aren't you cold, huh? Well, I am kind of cold. But shut up, guys. You always think y'all kind of right. No, the frick we do not. I gotta say, but no, they do not. Yeah. Yes, the freak they do, Wilson. I swear to on my life. Okay. What in the wild world is going on in here? They think, oh, stop. No, you stop. Guys, shut up. What the wild world is going on here? If I have to say it one more time, I'm going to say it the last time with the H word. But, sorry to send this to you guys on YouTube, but what the hell is going on? Sorry, YouTube, but subscribe, please. Sorry to say the H word, but these freaking boys won't tell me what's going on. Because Foxy thinks he's right about everything. No, the freak I don't. They do. Clearly you are, Foxy. How? Just tell me how. Just how? What is the definition? Because they said they were cold, and you said it was not cold, but it was really cold in this house. You guys are freaking wrong. Freaking wrong. See, you think you're right about everything, Foxy, but you have to believe you're not. And you don't even know what's 1 plus 1. It's 2. Not that 1 plus 1. The 1 plus 1. 11, dude. That 1 plus 1. Oh. Well, you're a faggot. Hey, don't say faggot on YouTube. Exactly. Even little child... If little childs that are 3 say faggot, they will get their behind spanked. No, don't say that in front of our YouTube video. Exactly, you freaking fatty. Hey, I'm not a fatty, you piece of crap. Guys, shut up. No, they won't shut up. Guys, shut up. Foxy, shut up. All of you, shut up. Just shut the up. Nightmare Freddy. Shut up, Wilson. Sorry, but please be quiet, Wilson. What the wild world is going on? I don't know what the heck is going on, but we should start arguing for what? You just knocked me down, Nightmare Freddy. Sorry, babe. My reference. Thank you. I wish you were my boyfriend, like. Why do you guys keep falling? Because these freaking covers, and Foxy keeps doing it. No, the freak I'm not. Yes, you are. No, the. You better not say it, Foxy. Fine. No, the freak I'm not, though. Oh, true. That's. Freddy! Freddy! Wake up! Freddy! Oh, what happened? We were fighting, and then a fight explosion happened. Ugh. It's all Foxy's fault. He thought he was right about everything. I know. So yes. It's not my fault. Stop, Foxy. Oh. Oh. What the heck was that? Oh. You fat deadlines. Ooh.